Hi guys, I'm here in my garden getting some, what is this? Ampalaya. There one here, maliit. Ampalaya guys. Ayan. Mamitas tayo ulit ng ampalaya. Ito malaki. Ayan. Ampalaya. May makukuha na naman akong ampalaya. Ampalaya. Ayan. I will pick it up tomorrow instead. Yeah. Ampalaya. Walang dilig-dilig kasi umulan. Ampalaya. And this is the bigger one. Ayan. This is the bigger ampalaya. Garden bed for next year. Here. Yan. Dito ko siya ilagay. Sa gilid ng concrete. Para yung dito sa gilid puro garden. And then doon hanggang doon paikot. Yan, hanggang doon paikot yung garden ko. Doon yan, ang lapad ng garden ko guys. Next year. Kaya I started building. That one. Kulang pa ako ng wood. Bibili pa ako ng wood. Guys, kakauwi ko lang galing work guys, you know. Okay, that's my garden over there. My ampalaya. Yan. And I have my tomato. My tomato, a lot of ano now. Bunga. Nakata ka? May tomato. Maraming bunga na yung tomato ko. Tumanda na siya, marami na siyang bunga. Dati, wala. Kunting-kunti lang siya. Ngayon, ang dami ang bunga, guys. Look at that, ha? Wow, look, ha? Look at ang daming bunga niya, oh. Yan. Meron pa doon sa kabila, ayun, oh. Yan. Doon pa. Yan. Dumami ang bunga ng tomato. Safe place. Yeah, look at that. Oh, dumami ang bunga ng ampalaya. Tomato. And then I have bell pepper here. I have one here. Yeah, and I have bell pepper too. Bell pepper, look at that. Yeah. Bell pepper. Green bell pepper. Yeah. Okay. Then that's my bamboo forest. Kunti na lang siya. Gagamitin ko yan sa garden ko next year. Yan, okay. That's my bamboo forest. Okay, bye-bye. I'm going inside now. I'm getting rest. Bye.